Hey, you do. Hey, you do. Alright, chat. I'm really trying to myself phone because I was so pissed this morning. It's about 11:12 right now. It's still morning, but anyway. So welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button, like, and share the video if you like it at the end of the video. So today, what is that? What I'll be doing is I'm gonna take y'all in my day. Yeah, when I come with me. See what I do on a regular day basis and whatsoever. Guys, I was so pissed this morning because I edited I laid and edited a video, a 15-minute video for 2 hours. 2 hours. 2 hours from 6 to 8. 2 hours. And me with my dumbfounded self, I deleted the clips that was in that video without knowing that CapCut would remove them from the video as well. Like, I delete them at a trash, them can't restore. And right now, I'm so like, it's too early. I'm so pissed. Like, I'm so like, bro, like me I try to get it out from morning. I'm so pissed, bro. Like, but may I chat too much now? Let's go. Let's get right into the video. Let's get right into the day of Nia's life. Oh my God, what is that? So guys, I'm gonna practically eat, yeah, brush my teeth, get right back to y'all.
I'm not okay, cause
Wait a minute! Who are you?
A few moments later.
What festivities? Two of them in a one rope. say, guys, what a festivities in the year, my dear. So, no, you're up now?
What you up, Titi? Yeah, but the two, it wrap around the two of them neck.
So, only if it's our fine neck.
Shut up, man!
Murder. Boy. I'll sketch this, guys. My dear. Take it from my neck. Eat them from Chris. I hope I'm going to run. Gratitude. Cool. We go. Why? I'm tired. No, make him go.
Two enough! Two little bits enough! Two little bits enough!
Hey guys, so you made it to the end of the video. I hope y'all really enjoyed that video, and please let me know what y'all think about the video in the comments and stuff. So before I go, I'm gonna leave with y'all a quote of the day, something to meditate on for the weekend or for the rest of the week. Okay, so the quote says, don't compare yourselves to others, be like the sun and the moon and shine when it's your time. This quote is basically telling us that don't run down nothing. For Jamaicans, don't run down anything, like nothing at all. Everything will come to you in June time, like everything. God got a plan, right? Yeah, got a plan. Believe that. And God and time, nothing at all before the time. So if you're not for rich now, or if you're not rich by a morning, God not make it by a morning. Believe. Just go and work and don't give up that easily, because everything, some of out the fear. Some of out the great fear. Yeah. So subscribe, like, and share the video, and tell a friend, and remember to leave a comment and say what you think about the video. Kisses, bye gems. Mwah.